in certain parts of Over-the-Rhine might start noticing something a bit different. Peace and quiet. The reason why started with a murder on the west side back in May, and it ended with the SWAT team having the final say today. Local 12's Deb Dixon tells us the difference 83 arrests can make.
The Cincinnati Initiative to Reduce Violence strategy was highly focused. The SWAT team's assignment is to go where undercover cops had purchased drugs. Tools of the business were confiscated in the operation.
This is typical of every drug operation. Usually, when you're in such a high-risk business, you have to have a gun to protect your investment. You have to have product to sell. You have to have the things to use the drugs, and then ultimately the proceeds, the profits from the sale.
Operation OTR kicked off after the May murder of Eric Kennedy. The investigation led them to Back and Hamer Street, a hangout for a group called Club Back. This is from their Facebook page. Gang signs, guns, a bulletproof vest. Data shows where they hang out is where bad things happen. The dots are robberies and shootings.
The blatant disregard for the safety of others and for human life, quite frankly.
Colonel Whalen says this operation tears at the power of the group.
It breaks it up. Quite frankly, it breaks up that conspiracy that perpetuates fear and commits violence.
Since the operation began back in March, 83 people have been arrested and shootings are down 74%.
Drugs is their bread and butter, that's their business, but that fuels violent crime, specifically shootings. We had a spike early in the year. We knew we had to get ahead of that.
Operation OTR will continue. There are more warrants to be served, all for drug trafficking, and more players of Club Back to track down. One woman who didn't want to go on camera told me she hopes for peace this holiday, and she said, "This is a good start." Deb Dixon, Local 12 News.
And Colonel Whalen believes there will be an arrest soon in the murder of Eric Kennedy.